Are you tired of overpriced, low-margin dropshipping? Well, watch this video because I'm going to show you without coding and without middlemen how you can get factory-priced items directly from China's biggest marketplaces. Two of them you're going to recognize for sure. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you how you can get all of this in a bundle on one platform, making life so easy. Saving people like me that used to spend weeks doing this job. Now you can do it in just one click. It's absolutely crazy, guys. Let me show you in this video. We're talking about the biggest platform out there for e-commerces right now to be successful in 2025. It is TeamDrop. So here we are, guys, at seller.teemdrop.com. Okay, this is TeamDrop, like I spoke about in the introduction, and it is by far the most innovative platform out there for e-commerce sellers. Now, you're going to be going through a lot of the features on this video, so I hope you do stay tuned. More importantly, what I'm going to do is show you exactly how this works. So this is me actually logged in, but as I go back to the homepage, you're going to see a lot of the information I'm going to be talking about. So I just wanted to show you that I am logged in. Stay till the middle of the video where I'm going to actually show you exactly how this works. Okay, so here we are on the home page where it says Tech with Ease, Team with Glee. It's a simple one-step fulfillment system, intelligent product sourcing, standardized warehousing, fast, stable, and reliable shipping business. And you can start right now. There's over 1 million users in the TeamDrop ecosystem, over 100 million sales annually, and 12,000 meter square warehouse space, over 100 plus shipping lines. But people are going to ask me, why have you chose these over maybe some other fulfillment centers? So Startup Dropshipper, this is for you. Okay, it's a dream start, risk-free, month-free policy, means no early financial pressure, and the final turnkey solution covers everything, okay? It's also for experienced sellers, leveraging the advanced offerings inside of here. TeamDrop actually devotes to 100% secure and flawless support throughout the dropshipping process, which means without TeamDrop, you get manual function, uncertain product, delayed deliveries, lackluster after-sale, inventory pressure, and traceable shipping, and more you can see. With TeamDrop, you're seeing how we solve all them issues. So let's go back into the dashboard so I can show you exactly what it is. So you're actually going to be getting all of the source products directly from 1688 or Tile Bale, okay, at factory price. This is the important thing, and you can skip between these right here, okay? You can skip between which ones you want, or you can just go straight to TD where it will show you the products. So let's go for 1688 right now. Now, if you want to know how to use the back of this, you can see on the left, you've got the TeamDrop product searches, okay? You've got your products, with store products, bundle products, listed history, your packaging, okay? Everything to do with your cart, your calendars, we purchase and order, sampling them, stocking them, okay? Your authorized store, and of course, the coupon, the profile, address book, stuff like that for your settings. So let's just take a look. This is a one-on-one support from a dedicated manager service. Obviously, I'm not going to speak to dedicated manager right now, but when you do, guys, just message them and say, hey, I've just started, I watched this up YouTube. Can I get begin? Can you show me exactly what it is I'm doing here? So let's go on here right now and look for garden furniture. And let's search that and see what comes up. Okay, so as you search, you can see now all the garden furniture is going to be coming up. So it's giving you an easy access to the 1688 catalog that you can now look at and choose what it is. Now, if you want to put some filters on it, you can. You could price them low to high, high to low. You can put the minimum or buy spend. I want it to be minimum 500, max 5,000. Okay, and confirm that. And now you see we're getting to some more extravagant garden furniture. Actually, this is an insane deal. Okay, once you hover over the site, you're actually going to see, look, it says a repurchase rate, it says the distribute rate, how long it's going to take for the collection rate, the service score, and of course the MOQs. And you're not going to find these prices anywhere else, like AliExpress, anything like that, because like I said, it's coming straight from the factory price of the two biggest in the place, all right, which makes it so unique. Now let's click on one of these. As we click on one, it'll take you through to the exact information about that product, where you can choose the color, you can choose the routine. Okay, you can add to the TeamDrop, which is easy because once you've added this, it'll check the international shipping costs for you. Okay, or if you want, you can find something similar. Okay, and this is a very important key. If it's just something about it you don't like, find it similar. It tells you all about the branding right here, guys, which is absolutely insane. Now you can connect your Shopify store, guys, right? Very easily here. It is easy to go and store products, bundle products with a one-on-one support. Okay, one-click Shopify integration. It's very easy. All you got to do is connect your store up here and you can just start connecting products like that. It's very easy, guys, so please try that out yourself. The main factor of what I want to show you in this video is how easy it is to go and find some winning products that you want to put into your store. If you want to add this ready for 2025's new year coming up, in one click you could add this straight into your store products. All right, bundle the products, do whatever you want to do, list the store just by one click. Here we go. You select the store from the list. For imagine my store is right there. Okay, product title, you can change it to whatever you want. You can change it to my favorite earring. Okay, add the tags in there that you want to do. Earrings 2025, Bang, you'll pay list now and it will connect to the store. Very, very easy, guys. Something else you can do is you can vary the pricing just before you want to put it in there, where it's going to ship to. You can add some more images and videos if you would like to, okay, and change the description, but it will give you all of the stuff automatically. Now, one thing I do want to show you is this. If you go to the buy sample, it's going to actually allow you at the factory price to buy the sample very, very cheap. So you can test these out before you even decide to sell them. That's something extremely important at TeamDrop. Okay, so guys, that's how this works. There is so much more that this place offers. I just wanted to do a quick video to show you that if you're not using this product in 2025, you seriously wasted a lot of time, a lot of effort, and definitely a lot of resources. So if you want these in the factory, ready for you to start making money, this is where you have to be. So guys, there you go. All right, you're getting this for zero subscription price. This is completely free. So you get started for absolutely free. Fast global shipping, guys, 5 to 10 days to deliver to major countries, which is unheard of. The AI works for you inside this business, matching all the trends and so on. So if this is something you want to use and save all that time, promise you it's the best decision you'll make. Hit the link down below to get involved in this. Hit the like button, hit subscribe button, the bell, be notified. Get TeamDrop today and let me know in the comments what you thought.